Hi! Hello world! It's weird to think that you could come across so many people in your life, but only a few manage to touch you. And I mean, truly touch you. Only a few people are able to grab hold of your heart in a way you never imagined. Only a few people can delve into your soul through your eyes in just an instant. It's weird to think that you could know someone for years and they still won't know who you truly are. And you can know someone for a few weeks and they manage to find out your deepest, darkest secret without you having to say anything. These people only come occasionally, sometimes once in a whole lifetime, but you end up spending the rest of your life thinking about how their presence turn your whole world around. You spend the remaining time after their departure trying and failing to find traces of them in others. This kind of people are both a blessing and a curse. They fill your life with so much sunshine, positivity, and light that life without them feels grim. They make you so happy that you don't know what it's like to feel pain. But when they leave, because I believe that sunlight never stay in one place, there is a human-sized hole inside your chest that you have to spend the rest of your life trying to fill. By Ruby Dahl. Natin the anniversary of Witkak. It is the one and only luxury department store in Poland, located in the capital city of Warsaw. It offers a wide variety of luxury, contemporary, and street fashion, as well as a Michelin-recommended restaurant, Concept 13. Oh, what a feeling, an emotion with you, Anna, as you say, just let all the pretty lights in the sky guide you home. I love these moments, me and the night. On this post of Anna, she captioned it with 13th birthday of Witkak. As Witkak is a luxury fashion brand, a department store that sells high-end designer clothing, accessories, and more. The Witkak brand started in 1992 as an importer of premium fashion for men and women. The Witkak department store in Warsaw, Poland opened in 2011. It's the largest department store in Central and Eastern Europe. Wow! Let's wait for this, as Anna said that something new is coming for my Mark Kane family. Cool! Morning workout, Simone. Wow! Oh, what a great day! As sweet as you, Simone, to start the day with these foodies. Lovely! I like it. Simone is now at Nobu by the beach at Atlantis, the Royal. Hope you enjoyed the place, Simone, as how refreshing and relaxing it was with this nutritious food of yours. Oh! Another new hotel where Simone is staying now at Humera Emirates Tower. It is a luxury business hotel in Dubai. It has a sweeping view of the skyline, stylish living spaces, and exceptional dining in the heart of Dubai's influential square mile. Let's go! Where are we going this time, Simone? He is at the Yacht Club, Dubai. Party time! The mighty building of Humera Emirates Tower. Simone is still staying in here. Let's take our daily healthy physical exercise. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's go physical! Hey, Simone, what are you doing this time?
You doing, bro?
And now, happy time! Enjoy, Simone! On this story of Michele, he is Marlon Brando, an American actor and activist. He is the best and most important actors of all time. As to what Michele said, that is the reason why his second son called Brando. Mama Ruba is here, cheering for number 13. Oh yeah, Brando, you can do it. Go, go, go for the win.
Ciao Piero. Oh, ciao Genio.
Gol. E Brando?
Ancora? Sì?
Vamos.
Oh, Brando get tired already. So good, nice, and sweet to see Ruba, Marcus, and Brando as they are all happy enjoying their quality time in ice skating. As to ice skating can be recreational activity, a form of exercise, or a competitive sports. Ice skating can improve balance, coordination, and endurance, and it can also help with muscle strength, cardiovascular fitness, and stress management. And it's a lot of fun to glide around the ice. It's a popular activity to do in the winter. Oh there, gotcha! Safe tips. When ice skating, it's important to wear skates that fit properly with sharp blades. Skates should fit snugly, but not so tight that they cause pain or blisters. It's also important to lace skates all the way up over ankle. Oh, Brando! Yeah, yeah, yeah! Yes, sweet smiles are here! The new campaign ad of Michele with the caption, "You never know what the day will bring. Unexpected friends are always welcome. This is Hell Energy Drink. This is my choice." Always dashing, stunning, handsome, cooling, refreshing. Yes, Michele and Hell Energy Drink. Did you hear the news? Michele Moron is set to release a new track, In My Head, on December 13. Exclusive updates to come. Let's all wait for it. As Michele Presave on his bio, his new song, In My Head, on December 13, one of his new favorite song coming out. Let's all do it and let us know what is in his head. Michele is in Roma this time, and we all know this is the shooting time for his movie Maserati the Brothers, as here in his story, the Coliseo de Roma. As we all know, it is an elliptical amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome. It is the largest amphitheater ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world despite its age. The Colosseum was famous used for gladiatorial combat. Here's Michele giving some instruction about his coming song on how to pre-save it.
So, good evening, everyone. Why am I doing like that? All right. So, guys, good evening. First of all, good evening. important. So if you want to pre-save my new song called In My Head, you just have to click here, the link over here, and pre-save the song. It's one of the best, most beautiful song I've ever made, in my opinion. I don't know yours, because you listen to a lot of song of mine. And yeah, if you have nothing to do, you want to school, you want to work, you're free, you just want to have fun, you're just scrolling on your Instagram or whatever, you can just do that. And I'll be happy. Very, very happy. Yeah.
If Michele is excited, I am excited too. And I know you guys are excited too.
My new song is coming out. So, I'm so excited. You can pre-save the link.
Michele, tell us the truth. Why the smile? And how about the laughter?
Alright. So, guys, if you want to pre-save, I'm not gonna be able to do that. Just wanted to let you know that if you want, I just changed the link on my bio. Actually, I changed it yesterday, but if you want to pre-save my new song called In My Head, I'm sorry. You can just click this link here in my bio, and you can pre-save my new song called In My Head. Yeah.
Check this out. Yes, Michele is back.
Yeah, I'm back. So I wanted to promote my new singles coming out on the 13th of December. And it's a beautiful song. Gotta have to listen to it. And pre-save the link on my bio on my Instagram. And it's, yeah, beautiful. And yeah, yeah.
Wow, we are getting curious now on how beautiful this new song of yours.
So it's a beautiful song. I love the song so much, and it's just like I love this paint. Look at this paint. This paint is wonderful. Yeah. Some weirdos sitting around thinking about something. Drinking a cigarette. No, he's not drinking anything. He's not smoking a cigarette. Something, but he's really colorful. And it's just, I live with weirdos in my house. This is not actually a house, it's a hotel. But it's a crazy song. Please check it out.
Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 329 of the 366 days of 2024. A message to all. Your energy is precious and you deserve connection that nourish your spirit. Never settle for half-hearted gesture or forced interactions. Authentic connection isn't about duty or guilt. It's about the magnetic pull of genuine care and the warmth of authentic affection. It's in the soft glances, the thoughtful messages that come without prompting, and the gentle support that flows naturally. When seeking relationship, you are looking for an equal, not a project. You are looking for someone who takes care of themselves and has the capacity to take care of you too. Someone on your level that can respect and vice versa, and don't fall in love with potential. Embrace relationship that feels like coming home, where vulnerability is met with tenderness, where your presence is celebrated. This is your birthright. As you journey through life, align with those who match your frequency of love. and authenticity. The universe conspires to bring you these soul-affirming connections and keep your heart open to receiving the love you truly deserve. By Third Eye Thirst.